Baroque restaurant 3 Roses by ADR in Broumov, Czech Republic. ADR Architectural Studio has been participating in the gradual renovation of the Broumov Monastery over a long period of time. Respecting the masterpiece created by the builders of the monastery, the studio's projects strive to thoughtfully connect to the work of Baroque architects like Christoph Dientzenhofer and his son Kilian Ignaz. Following extensive adjustments in the monastery gardens, which included a project developing the multifunctional civic center Dřevník, woodshed, the studio has also designed several other buildings in the complex. From the Café Dietzenhofer to the revitalisation of the Růžový dvůr, the Rose Yard, a new visitor center, and, primarily, the U Tří 3 Roses restaurant in the south wing of the complex. The restaurant symbolically refers back to the original pub, which existed in the same location from the 17th to the early 20th century. The past century, however, was marked by the typical attitude of the communist regime towards the cultural heritage of properties, and had unfortunately left its scars on the building. The monastery was left to decay and was affected by a series of unprofessional adjustments which were typical of the era. The investor requested a renovation to liven up space by returning it to its original function, serving food and drinks. The most challenging task lay in designing a functional layout. It had to respect the original arrangement while complying with the requirements of the preservationists to maintain authenticity, alongside the surviving items of high historical value. As it has been for centuries, the central part of the restaurant is accessible from Růžová Street, with 3 groin vaults defining the interior space. Central to the south wing of the restaurant is the kitchen, which connects to a spacious room available for private hire, featuring 4 arched vaults with a central pillar. All the facilities are effectively interconnected. A corridor enables access to the outdoor seating with a summer bar in the Růžový dvůr, while also serving as access to the sanitary facilities and the kitchen's larder. The overarching atmosphere of the interior is defined by the elegant curves of the original arched structures. Following the possibility to refurbish the original plank floor, the interior incorporates this reused material, for example, as the veneer of the bar counters. Another interesting feature of the interior is expressed by the use of the original layers of paint, which creates a natural patina along the perimeter walls. Dividing the restaurant and the kitchen is a traditional window pane allowing for a small peek into the kitchen. There are also refurbished items like the original tile stove, stone moldings, and a number of tiny little windows and doors found in unexpected positions. The corridor's floors feature terrazzo tiles with a striking chessboard pattern from a Czech producer. The low built-in toilet stalls fill out the arched spaces, enabling the original arches to remain airy and visible. A significant element of the interior is the preserved original casement windows and paneled doors with massive door frames. Historically valuable items have been refurbished, and other items have been recreated as replicas. The lighting and other essential technical items have been designed to minimally interfere with the overall look of the interior. Complemented by the wooden oak tables, the wall paneling and seating furniture feature a neutral light gray color. The use of wooden materials and the airy, sparsely furnished vaulted spaces bring the experience of tasting the traditional local menu to the next level.